Hey sweets, welcome back. Y'all, we are back with another video, y'all. This is something new. This is the Janet collection, and this is part of the Milk collection. Yes, I went and got something different for y'all. This is Mrs. Kendall. We gonna open up this box, get right to it, and see what we working with, y'all. I'm excited about this unit because I love the color variation. And boom. That's the first thing I see when I take her out of that box. Yes. So here is our stock card. Very beautiful. And then she also has a lot of other colors that you can choose from. Good color variation. We're going to get this netting off of here and get right to it. Yes. Do you see the color variation? Okay. It goes from the dark roots to the browns to the reds. There's some purple in there. Yes, honey, that is so fire. I love it. Right into the cap construction. We got two combs off to the side. We also have this lovely adjustable band. Love the placement. And it's adjustable. So if you have a different size head, ladies or gents, you can adjust that. Also have a comb in the back, and it does have the adjustable straps. Stretchability, very good on here. Have to say, yes. Here is the top portion of our unit. It looks very good. I love the parting area. The lace looks good. So I didn't tighten that back on there. We're going to hop her on. Yes, okay. She is cute. I ain't even did nothing yet, okay? I'm gonna do a little bit of finger combing here, but do you see as it's on my head that color variation from the dark and the colors? Now I was getting a lot of the shedding, okay, but we ain't even took the lace off yet, and I'm getting a lot of shedding. But we're gonna adjust this lace on here so we can see how the ear to ear is. Yes, it's very good. Very good. I love it, love it, love it. Can't say nothing bad about it. Both sides have that good placement. I'm doing some more finger combing, and I was still getting a lot of shedding. So now I'm going to do a little bit of brushing out just to see. And I love the volume on top. I was trying to see if I wanted to keep those baby hairs. I was trying to see what I wanted to do with the unit, because you can also wear the unit as a middle part as well. So as we go along, you'll see what I do. But the shading on here is like ridiculous. Okay. And then, honey, a track. Now y'all know y'all. Oh my goodness. So this is coming up under my boob. I am 5'4". So it is a little bit long. This is how she looking so far. This is cute. The density on here is perfect. And again, you can see all that color variation. She goes all the way down to my behind. Cute, 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 y'all. Okay. Yes. So again, I was trying to figure out if I wanted to pluck her or not, but I was looking, I was like, this looks pretty good for me, okay? Y'all do y'all thing, but for me, it was looking pretty good, but I don't feel like being bothered with them baby hairs. So what I'm going to do is take this Got2b glue, and I'm going to put it on the temple of that and move those baby hairs all the way back so I don't have to be dealing with the baby hairs. And it's also going to give me some volume. This is a little trick that I always use. And now that I got my hand pulling that hair back, I think I just figured out another way that I can kind of wear this when I wear her again. If you want to know more about how that, I guess you just got to follow me on my Insta, okay? But anywho, we're going to get back to this review. So I'm just going to do that on both sides again so I don't have to be bothered with the baby hairs. I'm just going to take that glue and just put it on the temples of that and just rub it all the way back. So that way when I go to cut off that lace, I'll still keep my volume. You'll see once I cut the lace off what I'm talking about. But this looks pretty good. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to take her off. And then next we are going to get into tinting her. So I'm going to use some of my tint spray. We're going to turn it inside out. And wherever that lace is, we're going to go ahead and use some of this tint spray. And we're going to go ahead and tint her. So the parts that you are going to see. So we're just going to spray this all on the top of here and on the little temple areas and stuff. So that way we can use less of our powder. And this dries really quick. We're going to let that dry. Now I done hopped her back on my head. Now I'm going to do a little bit more finger combing. Okay, as you can see, that lace is looking pretty good. Now I got to do a little bit of work to my sides here. I did that off camera, but you'll see later on how I fix my sides and stuff. But this is pretty much how she's looking after I done cut off of that lace. And right now I'm just putting in the combs for the placement, for the extra security. And she is looking pretty cute. I am really liking this. What y'all think? Yes, yes, yes. I'm going to comb her out some more. One of the things that I am noticing that it is shedding. You're probably like, girl. And I'm like, yes, this is shedding a lot. I should have put some oil on there. I wasn't thinking about it at the time, but this is how she's looking right now. Very cute. And if you're new to my channel, I do not wear my wigs. I do not glue them down. I wear mine glueless just because I ain't got to be trying to be dealing with all of that. But for right now, this is how she's looking so far. Very cute. Yes. What y'all think? I think she's really cute. Very good daily wig. Now, I know that this can be worn as a middle part. So, before I go on and tell you my pros and cons, I just wanted to put it into a middle part so that you can see it. Very easy, and you've seen that it's a very deep parting area back there. And again, you see me doing all of this shedding, okay? But anywho, it's looking very cute. Side part, left side part. Hey, I'm with it. She is very cute, and I like it that she's versatile. So yes, I am liking that part. And this is how she's looking as a middle part. This is still very cute, y'all. Yes, come on, let's talk about it. Hi sweets, welcome back to the channel today. Yes, if you are new here, welcome to the Sweets family. Thank you for stopping by. For my sweets that's been rocking with me since the beginning, as always, I love you guys and appreciate your support. Our little channel is growing. Blessings. Yes, like I said, if you're new, think about subscribing at the link below. I do a lot of hair tutorials. I also do some blogging and some other stuff, so if you're interested in that, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, but don't forget to turn on your notification bell so you know when I upload a new video. Today we're going to talk about this gorgeous little unit that I have on my head, okay? So if you want to hear me spilling the tea, go ahead and stay tuned. All right, sweets, we're going to hop right into it. So today we're going to talk about this gorgeous little unit. This is Mrs. Kendall, okay? Ha! Isn't she cute? Okay, one of the things I absolutely love about this wig is the color variation, okay? It's got the black, the browns, the reds. It's even got purple in there. What? Y'all know me and my purple, okay? I was like, this is cute. But let's get on right into it, okay? So this is Mrs. Kendall, and this is from the Janet collection, their Melt collection, okay? And I have to say, the lace on here, honey, boo-boo, okay? She is fire. Let's get into the specs of this wig. So the color that I have her in is a TT1B Velvet Wine. I will tell you, and I got to go back and check the website. So they have a mishap on the back of this card. So like I said, I have a TT1B Velvet Wine. When you look at the back, and I'm going to come up closer here just so you can see. When you look at the back, they got also a velvet purple, but in front of the purple, they got an OET1B velvet purple, and then the TT1B velvet wine. And as you can see with these two colors down here, they kind of mix that up. Hopefully you can see that if I bring it a little closer. So make sure that you're getting the color that you want when you go online, because they have it mixed up back here. And I haven't went online to see if that's an issue, but just giving you guys a heads up. But this color here, baby, this is so sexy. So I don't wear a lot of stuff from the Janet collection, so I don't think I've ever tried anything in the Melt series. It's not coming to mind, but I don't think I have, because this is not a collection that I normally buy from. but I might just start, okay? Because this is really cute. I like that they have the adjustable band in the back, and I love the placement of the band. As you can see from the beginning where they have it placed is perfect. It is nice, it's tight on my head, it's secure, and if it's too tight and it's giving me a headache, I can go in there and I can adjust the band. So I really like that they took the time to listen and do that. So that's one of the good pros about it. So this is a transparent natural hairline with a 13x6 frontal. It has Swiss lace, 100% hand tied. It has a natural density. It does come with baby hairs, but as you can see, I kind of put the gel back because I didn't want to deal with baby hairs. And like we were just talking about the adjustable band, which is a plus, it does come pre-plucked, and honey, it was plucked good enough for my liking, okay? You may want to go in and do your own plucking, but it came nicely for me. And it says that the lace melts into your skin color. I will have to say, like I keep saying, the lace on here is fire, okay? And it does come up to heat safe up to 350 degrees. So this is like plus. Now, I do have some cons. Okay, so let's get into the things that I like first. So I like the texture of the hair. It is, now I will say it's very heavy. I love the texture because it's a yaki texture, but this is a heavy type texture. Like if it's hot outside, this ain't one of the wigs that you're gonna want to wear. This is like it's getting cold outside type wig that you can slay. This is gonna be hot as hell if you wearing this during the summer. So okay, but like I said, the texture is great. I love the way that they have the adjustable band. I love the color, the variation. I love the lace. Very good, very easy to melt. Beautiful. I love that you can wear it as a right side part or middle part. You have enough room to do that. Yes, all good things. Now, the things that are cons that are just like good. This wig had a lot of shedding. As you can see, I was talking about that in the beginning. It shed like crazy. And like right now, I got like strands on my arm and stuff that's gonna annoy me. So what I should have did is went in and put some oil on here to kind of calm that down. And I didn't do that with this unit. It sheds a lot. And it was shedding before I even cut the track off. And then on top of that, y'all seen that a track came out, okay? It's like, really? It's like, it's all good because there's enough hair here that you can't see anything but good Jesus, okay? Also, another thing, it has good density. The density on this is good, but like I said, it's a very thick density, okay? So like I said, don't go out trying to wear this when it's getting hot because your ass is gonna sweat, okay? But I mean, you know, besides those few little things, you know, I do think this is a very cute wig. But y'all know how we do it on this channel. It's either a slay or nay. Comment below. Let a sister know if this is a wig that you'll go cop. Of course, as always, I'll leave everything in the description box and the links to where you can go get this wig from. And again, as always, follow me on my Instagram if you want to see what I am doing. And I'll be back in another video. I hope to see you in the next one. Bye.